Hey J fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on the Moresoo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, I'm pretty sure I am, Moresoo hair, then stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll get into it. So in this video I will be talking about and reviewing the Moresoo hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, by the way. Moresoo human hair. It's real human hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It has the earn Moresoo dollars, which is $5 off coupon, $10 off coupon, $20 off, and it's just ways to redeem points, so that's cool. Also has their barcodes if you want to scan it and visit their websites or their Instagram and their other social media. Next up, steps for hair tips on how to take care of it. It also says comb the conditioner through with a wide tooth comb, so something like this. Rinse the conditioner out with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a towel. Do not rub the hair to dry it. Gently pat. So basically that's going to prevent frizz and breakage and make your hair last longer. And then conditioning, shampooing looks pretty much the same. Next up, oh my gosh, these are cute. They give up like hair clips, which are actually really cute. I like that. I'm gonna use this. Let's open it. These are actually really cute. It's like a little crystal with pearls, and then it's plain. Please ignore my nails, but that's what it looks like. That's cute. And then this one has the little pearls. So pretty, so classy. This one is a little bit more simple. Gold is still very pretty though. Okay, I'm gonna use one of those. So this is the hair. This is what it looks like. I got a lot of it because I'm gonna do a long ponytail kind of. So I'm gonna go ahead, open it. Also for the hairstyle I'm gonna be doing, you need some hair bonding glue, and then it's like pre-wrap for your hair so you don't damage your hair when you're wrapping it and gluing it. For me, I'm gonna use these because the curl out of my bangs came undone, so I'm gonna use those. But the hair, that is soft. I like it. It's nice, soft, a lot of body. I'm just gonna take out my hair. I'm gonna keep my bangs out though. I'm gonna go ahead and use these for my bangs. Taking some gel. This is the Eco Gel. So I could do a high ponytail is what I'm going for. Also, my hair is naturally curly. It is straightened out right now. I usually wear it straight, but it's straightened out now, but it's naturally curly. Take some gel and start braiding. Okay, so this is here. So now I'm taking this, just gonna wrap my hair with it. To go in with the hair and the glue. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Okay. Now, just start from the end. Wrap and glue. The ponytail is done. It's very long. Feels nice. It goes all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead, take my hair out. I'm gonna do my baby hairs real quick. I think today I'm gonna keep it a little bit more simple and just do this one. It is real human hair, so what I might do, I might add a little bit more blonde to it just to make it a more perfect match. But it's a pretty good match, I think. I might also trim it a little bit because it's super long. Or I also might add an extra bundle because I want more thickness maybe, and then trim it. Get some money off of their hair. They also have hair clip-ins and different other things if you're interested, which I highly recommend because this is really good hair. Like, no joke, it's really good hair. It's human hair. It's soft, cuts a lot of body, which is cute. It's cute, I like it. Actually, I love it. I do got a little bit of frizz because it's dry right now, humid. Yeah, so anyways, I'll insert the code right here. I highly recommend it. The hair's soft, feels so good. I like it. I love it actually. It's really good hair. Like, whoever makes wigs, I highly recommend this. It's really high quality, great quality, good pricing. If you're a hairstylist, recommend them as well. They have a bunch of other stuff. Sorry, I can't stop. I see it's so soft I can't stop touching it. It's so cute too. And they give you these cute little clips. Come on, you can't beat that. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.